As you know, ModuleWorks is developing software for the manufacturing industry, and today I would like to talk to you about why manufacturing matters to all of us. The worldwide economy is $100 trillion of economy, meaning services, products produced the whole year by all the people on the planet. 8 billion people producing $100 trillion of economy. Among that, $16 trillion is the output of manufacturing industry. But what's this? Manufacturing industry means cars, planes, phones, computers, all the things that we are all exposed every day. And ModuleWorks is working very hard to develop technology for the manufacturing industry. And that's why we believe manufacturing matters to all of us.